a little bit bittersweet because we do have, you know, decades of a successful tradition here at Cypress Lake Middle School in our original campus.
I've had so many good memories here. I'd have to say it's the teachers. They're all really helpful, all the ones I've had, and really nice. And also the people.
I'm just thoroughly excited about the design and the quality of the building that we're about to build for this community of students, teachers, support, and, you know, families in general. Please pardon our dust. You know, it's going to be a little noisy, it's going to be a little dusty, but it is well worth it. You know, our motto here at Cypress Lake Middle School is passion for success in academics, arts, and life. And part of my responsibility, the responsibility of my staff through this project, is to maintain that high-level experience that families are accustomed to at Cypress Lake Middle School.